Hello dear students, welcome to 9th Biology online sessions. We are discussing about the chapter cell, its structure and functions. In the part 1 we discussed about some basic things like a structure of the cell, about unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms, as well as the classification of the cells by depending upon its structure like a prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. We know already each and every organism on the earth, all living organisms including plants, they are constructed with cells. Plant cell and animal cell, they have more common parts of cell. In this video I would like to talk about the parts of cells. Actually, animal cell or plant cell, whatever it may be, they are contains three major parts in them. The first one is cell membrane or plasma membrane, and cytoplasm and nucleus. These three are the major parts of the any cell, even it is a plant cell or animal cell. What are the parts? Cell membrane, it is also called as a plasma membrane, and cytoplasm and nucleus. These three are the major parts in any living cell. Now I would like to discuss about the first part. What is that? That is cell membrane. So cell membrane is outer covering of the cell, outer boundary of the cell. Like our home constructed with a walls. Walls are protecting layer of the rooms or inside living things or non-living things. Like wall, cell membrane also one kind of protecting layer around the cell. We know already the walls gives a particular shape. Can you imagine structure of the home without walls? Is any shape to the rooms without walls? No, there is no shape to rooms without walls. Walls gives shape to the home. Like that, cell membrane give shape to the cell. Cell membrane gives shape to the cell. And also our home walls protect us from weather like a winter season, in summer season, in rainy season, as well as from the wild animals. Like wall protects us from these all things, cell membrane also protect the cell from outer pressure, outer atmosphere, and from outer danger. There are more harmful things at outside of the home, but inside we protect them from by covering these walls. Like that, cell membrane separates the inner portion of the cell from outer atmosphere. It is the main function of the cell. And also we fix doors to our home to enter, to exit from the home. Like cells also have some pores. These pores allows substances to enter inside and exit from cell. But we will go inside of the home and close the door to not allow the strangers. Like that, cells also allow the exchange of only specific substances between different cells and the environment. Cell membrane also allows a particular substances to enter in it. That's why cell membrane also called as a selective permeable membrane. So this character is called selective permeability. Do you know in some homes there are small entrances for the pet animals like a dog or cat, but there is no allowness of the big or huge animals like elephant or giraffe through this hole. They cannot enter into the home through these holes. Like that, plasma membrane also contains, cell membrane also contains a small pores. These pores allows only a simple digestive useful particles. Our home was constructed with a bricks, yes or no, cement or concrete. Like that, cell membrane also constructed with or made up of with a two types of the substances. They are called phospholipids and proteins. These cell membrane act as a protecting layer of our home. I hope you understand about the cell membrane. In the next class, we are going to discuss about cytoplasm. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling. Just recap. The cell is surrounded by a cell membrane. It is also called the plasma membrane. The cell membrane protects the cell from the outer environment. The cell membrane gives structure to the cell. It is also separate the components of the cell from outer environment. It is a selectively permeable membrane and only allows few specific substances to pass through it. It is also a semi-permeable membrane and only allow small substance and solvents like water and pass through it.